And a good evening to you as night starts to fall. It's, I don't know, 6:37 o'clock. I actually no idea what time it is. It's me, Andy, at Andy's World Journeys. And I am still in Seoul. And I'm hungry. It's dinner time. And I really wanted to try a kind of food that Korea is famous for. And what is that food? In the words of the late great Freddie Mercury, gimme, 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 gimme fried chicken. Yes, folks, fried chicken. So, what did I do? I went online and I searched for best fried chicken in Seoul. I really did. And one of the places that was handy to me was the place that's just on the other side of this camera. It's called Kyochon. Well, it's just called Kyochon 1991, because I think that's when it opened. Now look, it is a bit of a chain, I know, but it also looks really, really good. The sun is really sticking around for a bit these days. Here in May, I guess we're quite north, so come June, July, you get very, very long days. We get sunny early as well. But don't let that fool you, it is definitely time for some fried chicken. Please be open. All right. Okay. This is very Korean. It's very blunt. The first floor, the first floor is takeout store. That's this floor. You can't eat on the first floor, despite the tables. You can order on the second floor and eat it. Use the machine at the front for takeout. Oh, but we're not taking out. We need someone to gimme, 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 gimme fried chicken. There might be a wait for a table. Okay, I got myself a table. I'm all set for my fried chicken. But I'm getting honey chicken here. And that's because apparently the fried chicken is use some sort of peanut marinade or something. I don't know. It's involved. Peanuts are involved. So once again, as I may or may not have shown you, I have on my phone here. It's a bit of a reaction. Allergic reactions will kill me if I consume nuts. It's a little bit of maybe an overreaction, you might think. Allergic reactions will kill me if I eat nuts. However, I have to be 100% sure that what I'm eating is safe. When you're overseas, you don't want to find yourself having an allergic reaction, and peanuts are pretty common in Korea. So yeah, I have to be super duper careful on that front, which is fine. Something I've learned to live with. Anyway, they understand. I've ordered honey chicken and a Sprite. They said even like their potato wedges might have some peanuts in them, so I guess they're just being ultra careful, which is great. As you can see, we're using the old computer. We've got Korean, Chinese, English and Japanese. We've got 4 languages that we can order from. It seems really common in Seoul that we use these machines, and I guess it just saves a bit of time, saves the middleman in a way. I know, it's a thoroughly nutritious dinner. Good for me, I say. Honey chicken, now they're boned, so it could be a bit tricky. It's supposed to be really good, and I'm going to take it very slow. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Fried chicken. It's fried. bad. It's bad. It's got honey. It's pretty good. Never had to eat chicken with a tongs before. Really got to start eating healthier though, don't I? Like, they wouldn't let me touch the sides. Basically, there were other options, but they're all spicy and stuff, so. He also gave me popcorn to start with as well. How about that? Popping the corn. There's no way I can finish this. They give you a bucket for the bones. Well, I'm going to seriously tuck in. I'll give you my thoughts in a little bit. Okay, folks, that is it. That is all I can do, and I feel bad that I had that much. I'm going to wrap this one up outside because it's very, very noisy in here. Well, there you go. That's the best I could do. I couldn't eat much more. It was very nice. Honey chicken's not really my favourite, but you know, I just stick to whatever's safe because that's what I have to do. And perhaps you've got a peanut allergy and you're thinking about what can I eat, where can I eat when you're in Korea. So that's something to consider. Eating is without a doubt a very social occasion here in Korea, and they serve beer there, a little bit of soft drink, and a lot of fried chicken. And even though it's sort of a fast food chain, it's sort of not. There was a lot of people, families. I want to say that there were like business dinners and stuff happening there. So you wouldn't take your business colleagues to McDonald's or KFC, would you? So it's certainly a step up from that. And it was a very loud atmosphere. People were having a good time, enjoying themselves, having a drink, having a good feed. So, what can I say to that? What I can say is, don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Helps the channel to grow, as you know. Thank you for joining me on this one. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end. Sorry. I've already filmed the end bit, but then I forgot. I didn't tell you how much I paid for one drink and a big basket of fried honey chicken, which could easily have fed 2 people. I paid 22,500, so about 23, 24 Australian dollars. It's probably about 15, 16 US dollars. So, not outrageous.